Hello guys, and today I'm gonna play Five Nights at Freddy's one.
Bruh.
Okay, first night, here we go.
Hello.
Sup?
I wanted to record a message for you.
Let's watch the cams really quick.
I actually worked
Never mind.
in that office before you. I'm finishing up my last week now, as a matter of fact, so I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but I'm here to tell you there's nothing to worry about. You'll be fine. So let's just focus on getting you through your first week, okay? Let's see. First, an introductory greeting from the company that I'm supposed to read. It's kind of a legal thing, you know. Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, the magical place for kids and grown-ups alike, where fantasy and fun come to life. Fazbear Entertainment is not responsible for damage to property or person. Upon discovering that damage or death has occurred, a missing person report will be filed within 90 days or as soon as property and premises have been thoroughly cleaned and bleached and the carpets have been replaced. Blah, blah, blah. Now, that might sound bad, I know, but there's really nothing to worry about. The animatronic characters here do get a bit quirky at night, but do I blame them? No.
Yeah.
Remember, these characters hold a special place in the hearts of children, and we need to show them a little respect, right?
Maybe.
Okay. So just be aware, the characters do tend to wander a bit. They're left in some kind of free roaming mode at night. Something about their servos locking up if they get turned off for too long. They used to be allowed to walk around during the day too, but then there was the bite of 87.
Was that the bite of 87?
It's amazing that the human body can live. Check those cameras and remember to close the doors only if absolutely necessary. Gotta conserve power.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I 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 need it!
Fine, I'm done. Where the fuck did Bonnie go? Found you, Bonnie. Nothing much is really happening. Oh, Candy, I might be screwed. Foxy, don't you dare. Hey, Bonnie, get your bitch ass out here. Oh, Candy, well, you ain't getting my bitch ass. Not on the first night, at least. Maybe behind the scenes. Bonnie, you gone? Finally. Foxy, please. It's the first night. I'm keeping a good eye on you, Foxy. Man, can something interesting happen? Foxy, no, it's at M. Don't you dare. When I meant something interesting to happen, I didn't mean to get fucked.
Oh my!
Yes, finally. Oh, fuck you. Well, second night now. Something cool better happen.
Hello? Hello?
Hi again.
Well, if you're hearing this and you made it to day 2, congrats.
Thanks.
I
It's
won't
not
talk
funny
quite as
here
long this
anymore.
time
May I
since
go home and
Freddy
see my
twins
mum?
tend to become more active as the week progresses.
Well, that's
It might be a
problems.
good idea to peek at those cameras while I talk, just to make sure everyone's in their proper place, you know. Interestingly enough, Freddy himself doesn't come off stage very often. I've heard he becomes a lot more active in the dark, though, so hey, I guess that's...
Welcome back. Bonnie is already next to my door, and it's only her M. Bonnie. No. Bonnie. No. Now. Finally, something interesting. How long is it going to take for him to tell me the FNAF law? Bonnie, you gonna move or are you scared of the sound? Oh, he moved when the sound stopped. He was shivering his timbers. Still, nothing more is happening. Well, I'm AHH, my ears. Let's try again, shall we? Okay, second try on night 2. If I had an MIC, I would be able to make this video a little more interesting. Foxy, it isn't even a M and you're about to hoop my ass. Anything interesting yet? No. DA, fuck you giving me a bombastic side-eye for. You too, Bonnie? Chica always look like that. Foxy, you can come now. It's a M and nothing is happening. Unless these motherfuckers looking at me. Okay, they stopped looking at me. Okay, it was last a M, now it's a M. Finally, something. Come on, M, we can do this. Bonnie finally left. Okay, great, I didn't die. M, please, don't fuck me up now. Come on, M. Shit.
No, 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 no. Wait. Wait.
Well guys, I hope you... Well, it's kinda getting late here, so I gotta go. I hope you like this video. If we get 25 likes on this video, I will do a part 2. So make sure to like this video for a part 2 and subscribe for more content.